Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is a Dell laptop, new model laptop, and see here is the BitLocker recovery. When I press the power button and is giving this option. So how can fix this problem? So this problem have to need the recovery BitLocker recovery key, or you have to reformat your laptop. So I have to make a USB bootable device. I have to download the software, this media creator tools, and I have to make Windows UEFI boot by this software. Okay, I put this in the USB. You need a 8 GB USB and wait. After that, have like this option, accept and wait. And guys, here is upgrade this PC or create installation media. So create installation media and next, and here is the English, or you want to Arabic version or any other language, you can select here. So I select English, 64-bit Windows 10. Okay, and press next, and here is the USB flash drive 8 GB. Here is the ISO file. I have USB flash drive here, and I will install in the USB and press next. It will be download and install. So I have already downloaded and installed it. How can you find this? You can find this in the link description, or you can find it in the Google media creation tools, this one. Okay, this media creation tools, download image files, and you can here in the downside download tools now, and this is the software you can download from Google, and you make this the bootable UEF driver. So after finish complete, I take the USB, I put in the laptop and press the power button and press the F12 button. And here you can see UEF SanDisk here in the down. I press this, and before you do this, go to the BIOS setup and check the BIOS setup is good. Here is the UEF boot enable. So I go back again, okay, now I go press enter and SanDisk, and it's loading the Windows. Wait, you can see now is loading Windows. This Windows is UEFI boot mode. Okay, here is the United States, and next install now. Then accept, next, custom, and you can see here is the all the partition. You have to delete this all partition, and you see here is the C is 00 is no file here, so I have to delete all the partition. And this laptop is 1 terabyte. Delete all partition and make a new partition. I will make this here only 200 GBs. Apply, okay, and then 735, I make it 385 GBs. This two for data, 360 GBs. Apply new, and I go to the 195 GBs. This 200 for the Windows, partition number 3. and press next. Now installing the Windows. It take maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes to install the Windows. I come back after finish, install all. Now take the restart computer. See, it's loading. See guys, getting ready device.
We'll have your PC ready for all you plan to
Okay guys,
Use your voice
our
or the
device is
keyboard
ready.
along the
So
way.
you want
And if
to
you'd like me to stay
mute
quiet,
the mic, just press here and just wait. Okay guys, now select language United States. Next, and now select USA and escape this. And I don't have internet connection, like this. If you do this, no need to connect, and is connect limited, and type here username and without password, enter. Just a moment, and accept. And now guys, it's almost done. Have to take 5 minutes or 3 minutes, it will be finished. See guys, this is almost done. And here is the computer looks on this 10. How can you bring this desktop icon? Can you bring the desktop icon? Just press right click and personalize, and go to the themes, and here is the desktop icon. Check this all and apply. OK, now it's done, is desktop icon. So guys, if you want to format your computer in this way, if you have the BitLocker recovery, just finish and make this. Thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Chip chore amader. Okay guys, this computer is finished. Now you can see all the programs is complete. All the drivers is finished. You can download the drivers in the Dell.com and go to support and go to the service number, put the service number, and you can find the driver. After finish, install all the driver. You can see your computer is perfect for work. And I have to download this all the programs, you can see guys. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video.